Welcome to the Archie McPhee Archives. I'm Mr. Q, here to share with you all the cool things I'm finding in the archives. I found a pretty good batch of things this time. The last thing might be the coolest chair I've ever seen. Just you wait. So let's start, speaking of cool, with this devil lantern Halloween thing. So cool. I believe it's paper mache. They've set back its eyes and mouth in this piece of paper, so it has this really cool vintage 3D effect. I really like old Halloween things, and this just has a kind of feel of a old vintage Halloween decoration. So cool. Look at that mustache. I'd want one of these on Halloween. Well, it wouldn't hold that much candy. That's the only problem. So cool. Vintage Halloween. The best. Found this freaky hand puppet that is a boar. Cool is that thing? A lot of neat detail. Squishy. Got his nose all up front, ready to bite somebody because he's a boar. Yeah, I really like these hand puppets, especially if they're kind of weird. Found a balancing bird. These have been around for a while, and they're such a cool technology. They never get old. There's a weight in the front of the bird, so no matter where you put it, including your own finger, it just sort of looks like it's hovering there. How cool is that? Look at that bird. He has a little tree stand or cactus or whatever that is. Put them on there. Just sort of float. Really cool. Kind of soothing too. Thanks, balancing bird. I found these. What on earth, or maybe not of this earth, are these things? So they're this brain, a heart, and an eyeball. But they also are kind of creepy because they have faces and teeth and a little mouth. So they're monster organs. And they're on these spring things. How cool are those? Hard plastic. Really cool paint job. Look at the detail on some of these. Stuff of nightmares. Look at that guy. Join us. Don't look at my little mouth, because it's even creepier than to me. I don't know. They're creepy. But I really like them. Speaking of eyeballs, look at the packaging on this. Crush Eye. So good. Tells you what to do with it. You crush. And then it revives. You got this punk guy who's showing it off. Love that packaging. That funky font. I'm not going to take it out because it looks pretty sticky. Trust me, you don't want to see that. The Crush Eye. Oh, this guy. How cool is that guy? Little metal spider. He's very springy. Not sure what this is for. I think it's just a decoration. It's all metal, except these little beaded eyes. Very wiggly. Oh no! Don't worry, metal spider. Got your back. I love little figures that have animal heads. Everyone knows that. And look at this little gentleman. This little chicken guy. He's got his cane. He's out on a walk. Out to give Colonel Sanders a run for his money. Stay away from him, Colonel. This chicken is really cool. Okay, he doesn't need any fuss in his life, clearly. He's a man of leisure. I hope there's a little chicken wife somewhere for him. Maybe that's what he's looking for. Go over this way. Look at this thing. It's a giant jack. Really cool. Metal. It's heavy. And if you played a real game of jacks with this thing, you better watch out. I really like it. It's like a paperweight or just a piece of art you can have on a shelf. How cool is that? Also found this. What is this? Looked it up. It's a Dumbo octopus. This is so cool. Look at his funny face. Flappy ears. He's got tentacles. On the back, look at all these details. So cool. You can see all his little suction cups and underbelly. Really like that guy. And squishy. Dumbo octopus. And the last thing is a hand chair. Look at this thing. It is a hand chair. So cool. Really sturdy. Recycled plastic. Cool details. Fingernails. I just love these things. Really well made. Retro hand chair. So cool. I know they came in different sizes. This is one of the smaller ones. Still cool. And that's it for the archives. Remember, if you like this kind of cool stuff, to check out McPhee.com or the store in Seattle, Archie McPhee.